In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a Twitch error code 3000 while you're trying to play on a Twitch account. If you're getting this kind of error, this is what we have to do. So this is happening for many users right now when they're trying to play the game or when they're trying to do this on the Twitch. It keeps on happening, and if you're facing this is what we have to do as the easiest step. So the first thing is all about make sure that you're logged in. And once you're logged in, what you need to do is we have to click on the three-dot menu. And from here, you need to navigate to the extension and click on Manage Extension. From here, what you need to do is one of the culprit that is happening is the extension. So if any kind of extension is turned on, we have to try turning off the extension from here. Once you turn it off, what you need to do is we have to go back to the Twitch. And once you get into this, what you need to do is you have to check. If not, we have to click on the three-dot menu. And from here, we have to go to the settings. From here, we have to go to the privacy and security. From here, we need to navigate to the delete browsing data. And from here, what you need to do is we have to click on this. And from here, make sure before doing this, you have to set this to all time over here. Once you set this, you have to go to delete data. So every kind of things will be deleted from here. And this is what we have to do. Once done, what you need to do is you just need to go back and we have to check with the Twitch. Still, if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to go back to the settings here, click on the three-dot menu and go to the settings. From here, we need to go to the system. And over here, you can see there is an option called use graphics acceleration when available. So if it is turned on, if it is turned off, try turning on it, go for the relaunch, and you have to check. If it is actually turned on, then what you need to do is you just need to try turning it off. Then you'll also be having a relaunch option. Just go back to the Twitch and you have to log in back once again, or you can just refresh the page and you have to check. And even after trying, still if it's not working, click on the three-dot menu and navigate to the incognito mode where you can sign into the account. That will fix the issue as well. So these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.